Hi, KMS. Mrs. Hines here. So today is Wednesday, March 3rd, and it's a really exciting day. You might be in the building today. So we're going to be meeting differently in tech. We're going to be meeting for each group. So my schedule, I just wanted to share that with you today. I also want to show you another feature about Google Maps. Want to give you a chance to just get used to being in the building. But we're also going to update your portfolio with a third tour today, basically a tour that would be useful to you. So we'll talk about that in a second. Before I forget, where are you? Right? Group one, you're going to be in room 113. Group two, I'll see you in room 111. Group three, you'll be in room 115. Group five, you're in 112. And group four, you're in 114. I also have other things that I do during my day. So your day might look a little bit different than mine, obviously, but those are your room numbers. So without further ado, let's go on to Google Maps. And kind of today's goal is you're going to be making a themed list. You might find this useful in your real life. So maybe you want to find a list of all the state parks if you like to go outside and hike. Maybe you want to find a local list of local colleges to start planning, life outside of Knickerbocker Middle School, life out after high school. If you want to go to school locally in a college, where could you go? Perhaps some other things. We're going to do a restaurant one. So each group is going to pick a different topic, and we're going to make one together in class today. You can share that, or you can share the one that you make on your own. So I just wanted to show you again. We also want to just show you what the live cams look like. So I'm hoping that we have access to this in the building, but there are lots of cameras and satellites taking images all around the world every single second of every single day. So you can actually tune in on a live webcam and see what a real life location looks like. So in Google Maps, when you're searching for things, you want to have a list of things that might be useful to you. So I'm at Knickerbocker Middle School. You could actually search nearby a certain location, and you can search restaurants, hotels, but you can also type your own thing. So like if I want to go on a nature hike, I might want to go to a nature preserve. I don't know where the nearest or closest one is to me. So this is going to make a list of all the different nature preserves that I might want to travel to. So as you can see, there's lots of outdoor free activities to do. And they also give you reviews. So if you want to have one that's next to the water, that might be something to look into. So you're going to create a new list today. So pick one. Maybe we pick this one to start off with. And you're going to save that to a list, right? So when you click the save button here, you're going to make a new list, and please call it whatever it is. So I'll just say that this is like nature reserves. If you're doing one about restaurants, one about movie theaters, one about whatever your topic happens to be, you might want to spell things correctly. Now you know why I'm not your ELA teacher. So I'm going to hit create. Awesome. So we're going to go through and I'm just going to add different locations to this list. Again, in Google Maps, you can have your basically your places right here, and you can go under saved places. So my latest, greatest one is right here. It's set to private. So please do like you did yesterday, and you're going to want to share that list out. So you want to change it from private to be a shared link. And then you just copy that link. Perfect. So I'm going to go on to my tech portfolio. And we're just going to click in the blank space here. We're going to add our link. UDS. And then as I continue to add on to this, it'll populate on my list here. So it's pretty nice. Make sure you hit that blue publish button, folks. And hit that blue publish button again. So if you have not done so on your maps and navigation page, you want to have a cover photo, something to do with maps or navigation or your favorite local picture. You want to have a capital region tour. So this was the list that we linked on Monday. So various places around locally. Yesterday, we did a vacation bucket list. And on Wednesday, we're doing like our themed tours. What you may want to do, I'm just going to add a text box here. And I'll type like vacation bucket list. If you want to have it look nice, I would suggest adding some text to kind of explain, making them headings. That way we can drag things around and it just like looks nicer. It will section things off. I lost it. Try again. Oh, there. So again, just be patient with yourself as you try to add things right there. We'll figure it out. All right, so folks, again, really looking forward to having you in the building today. Hopefully you got plenty of sleep. Make sure you do that publish thing. We're going to talk about also in class just some things housekeeping wise, like if you're in school, like how do you go to the bathroom? Not in the room, obviously, you have to leave for that, or any other in-house things we got to take care of. All right, guys, so happy Wednesday. Looking forward to seeing your themed list. We'll talk about different topics. If none of these are interesting to you, we can brainstorm some ideas together. And I'm hoping that you'll have access to this live cam. We'll do this on Thursday as well, because I'm thinking Wednesday's kind of be an interesting day with folks actually in the building. And I'm just hoping that everything works. But this does give you like live stream links of things that are actually happening, which is very cool. So just wait for this to kind of show up. Oh, isn't that nice? So hopefully we can give you a nice view to look at even in school tomorrow. All right, we'll see you in class. Have a great day, folks.